Overland, Colorado.
Are they stuck or just having an issue?
I'm backing up to them. I'll pull them out if he's stuck. We got a Jeep stump. We got some traction boards out. We were trying to pull it out with a strap. We're free, George.
Ready to go?
Yeah, just give everybody a minute to get back in the rigs.
Alrighty, sounds good.
Hey, sister, keep coming forward. Let everybody have enough space to get through, and we'll stop and wait for Michelle.
There is a Y back here. You want to stay right.
All right, we got a Y up there. Needs to stay right. George, looks like we're held up again.
Who's Jeep?
10-4. We have another vehicle stuck.
Yep, Mike's backing up. They're trying some traction boards right now. Mike's backing up, getting ready to snatch him out.
10-4.
Looks like the rest of us are through, George. 10-4.
Work, work, work.
We got a stopper. Okay, brother.
10-4. Brother is going to be so happy he gets to use his recovery equipment. Oh yeah, he's got a grin ear to ear.
Yeah, they got them out now, so it'll be just a minute.
That's if we make it.
Yeah, it'd suck to turn around right now.
Yeah, you'll make it.
He says with confidence as I see more snow drifts ahead.
Yeah. I hope all the little kiddos are having a good time.
Oh yeah, that's what Brian's saying. They're just having a blast back there.
Oh yeah. I didn't see them.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we're so close too.
Well, gate is closed.
Oh great. I don't know how deep this is.
Gate is closed. Thank you.
It's solid.
Stop. No one talking on the radio no more?
Oh, sorry, we were chatting on the other side. We got another rig stuck, giving it a couple minutes to get her out.
Copy that. And we're so dang close to our goal. All part of the fun.
Dun dun dun! That sucks. Doggone it.
Yep. Passenger side tire.
You're free to put me in video.
Oh, you got snow on your nose. It lights up. It's just clear as day.
Oh wow. Oh holy moly. That makes a huge difference. That's amazing.
Big dog, is that deep? Yeah. I'm not getting a good feeling about this.